Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications on the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and manage your notifications. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down and then where it says Preferences, click on Preferences. So on this page here, you can manage your email preferences as well as your text preferences as well. So toggle on and off which promotions or notifications you want, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage your notifications on the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.